naman kayo.
Welcome back to another video from me. Today we will go to Diwata again. It's my second visit. I will leave the Philippines very soon, so I will go back to Germany. So I will go to Diwata again to say goodbye to him. So I will visit this place again. When you wanna see the full details about Diwata, the prices and everything you want to know, check the video up here. So that's my first visit, so you can see everything about Diwata. So as I mentioned before, I will leave the Philippines very soon. So now let's go to Diwata. But maybe, I'm not sure, but maybe he's not in his place. Could be, right? So here I am with...
Yeah. Yes, I'm back to Diwata, no?
Back to Diwata?
Yes. For you, and talagang marami nagmamahal kay Diwata mula rito sa kanyang parisan sa Pasay sa Jokno Boulevard, kung saan napakarami natin mga kababayan at maraming nakatabay dito kay Diwata. At maya-maya talagang yung mga tao dinudumog, talagang walang humpay yung pagpunta dito kay Diwata. Kaya don't forget, talagang hinihintay namin yung pagdating dito kay Diwata kasi wala dito si Diwata. Nag-assist dito yung mga staff, yung mga tao niya dito sa paligid kung saan wala rito si Diwata. At nasilip namin dito sa kanyang office, wala rito talaga si Diwata. So nandito lang yung kalokalike niya na si Tito Boy Abunda, no? Na nagpunta rito at para kumain sa Paris Diwata. At ito ay talagang dinadayo, talagang hinahangaan yung Paris.
You wanna ride with me?
Correct. Kaya don't forget.
Wait, 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
I
will come to you. I will come to you.
Don't forget na maghintay lang kayo, nakatabay kami rito sa kanyang piso sa Pasay City. Kaya mga kaibigan, mga kabarilan, mga kapuso, tay, kuya, ate, lichit, to kain na kay Diwata. Now na. Don't forget, hello.
I want water. Macano.
30
This
only.
big.
30.
30.
Only one? Oh,
Two.
It's expensive.
Mura lang. Is it mura lang o mahal? O mahal naman.
Very expensive.
Mahal naman.
Very expensive.
Mura.
May bumili ng
Salamat.
Impact.
Okay.
Holy water.
Holy water.
Holy water.
Holy water.
Holy water. Oh no.
That's holy water.
That's holy water.
Now I drink the holy water. Holy water here. From this coin. From Vatican. From Vatican. Ilog Pasig.
Ilog Pasig. From Ilog Pasig.
anak ng Pasig naman kayo. Nakunon tapon nito.
So now I will drive bike.
This is your helmet.
Okay.
You know?
You can.
Yeah. Oh. Okay?
Wait, okay lang.
Let's go.
Oh.
Yeah. Kamote rider. Kamote rider. There is buaya. You know buaya?
Buaya.
Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Yeah, crocodile. Crocodile.
Police crocodile.
Not police. No, not police. Not enforcer is crocodile.
Hey.
You know crocodile? The enforcer. Buaya.
Enforcer.
Buaya, yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. You know?
Now I know.
The enforcer in the Philippines is buaya. Like
Buaya.
crocodile.
White crocodile.
Geng.
Engel.
Noy, Nay!
That's for the right.
Tara, kain tayo dito kay Diwata. Ano nga ba ang meron
How much? I don't know.
Bakit siya nagkakaguluhan?
That's okay. It's okay lang.
Thank you. I give 500 pesos. Thank you,
Okay.
kaibigan.
Hello. What is it? Vlogger. I'm also vlogger. Germany. Oh, fur. It's more fun in the Philippines. I like. Very maganda.
Nice place.
Yeah. Friendly people, nice place.
Na-try mo na.
So fun.
Na-try mo na.
Yeah. I try already. Masarap.
Masarap.
Sobrang sarap.
Sobrang sarap.
Opo.
Kapain natin.
Yeah.
Sobrang sarap.
Sobrang sarap. Guys, who here we were
Verbal Ayala.
here were Alaya. Follow him too. Hello. Yeah. Yeah.
Dito na tayo sa Diwata. May kita dito lang tayo sa Diwata. Mabubusog ka habang nag-video.
One more.
So much.
One more.
Bye-bye.
Oh, nagbayaran ako niyan. Uy, magbayaran ako niyan sa Jessica Soho. Magbabayaran ako sa Jessica Soho.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yan.
Hi.
Oh, kaway daw kayo, kaway.
Hello. Hello. So let's go.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye. My video is finished here. If you like the video, please let me know. Like and subscribe for more travel videos. See you. Bye.